Good evening, everyone. Today I will tell you something about rare disease. You may have heard in the social medias that on 28th February, the whole world will celebrate the Rare Disease Day. Now, what are these rare diseases? The rare diseases are diseases which are actually poorly diagnosed, not get diagnosed in all the affected individuals. So we found it in very few people and we call it as rare, and sometimes we call it as orphan diseases because so many little persons are affected with those diseases. So informations are limited, research are limited, and the invention of drug is also limited because of less people being affected as registered. But if we see the proper picture, in my last 5 years career of genetic counseling, I have found that it is a lack of genetic diagnosis, testing that made those diseases rare. So if you find any individual in your surrounding, in your family who are affected with different disorder, but it's not properly diagnosed, then please consult the pediatrician, consult the clinician as well as the geneticist so that they can recommend the perfect testing needed for the diagnosis, because only proper diagnosis can give the affected individual a proper treatment, and a proper treatment can save a life in many and more times. Not only that affected individual will get the proper treatment, along with that they will be able to interact with the similar kind of persons who are affected with same kind of disorder throughout the world. In that way, the anxiety and their questions regarding their lifestyle, regarding their lifespan, regarding so many more problems, they will come to know all the answers, and along with that they will be able to plan for their next generation who will be healthy, who will be free from that disorder. And in most of the rare diseases, around 80% of the cases, the reason is genetic. So genetic diagnosis in those cases is much more essential. It will help to cure. So timely diagnose the disease, cure the affected individual, and plan for healthy next generation. Thank you.